Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am back with another great video for you. This video is going to be at Rite, and I'm going to take the time to help you do a new deal with the new Rite's reward program. So anyone can do this video. It doesn't matter if you were a silver member or a gold member, because all of those accolades are out the door. Everyone is starting over fresh. And I did this on one of my accounts that I didn't have any bonus points left over or any bonus cash, or however you want to say it. So this count is at absolutely zero. And I did this so that beginner couponers can do this deal, as well as experienced couponers. So all you need to do is get your paper out, a pencil so you could take notes, or a pen, and your phones to take some screenshots. And we're going to learn how the Rite Rewards program works, along with the bonus cash and converting your points over to bonus cash. So let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is on the Suave products. So Suave products are buy one, get one 50% off. That is the sale for this week. And you can choose between the body wash or the conditioner and shampoo and some other Suave products. I chose to get the conditioner and shampoo. So they're buy one, get one 50% off. So the first one I paid $2.99 for, and the second one I got half off at $1.49. I'm going to show you my receipt. So there you see the shampoo was $2.99, and I got the conditioner for half price, which was $1.49. So when you add those two together, that's $4.49. But they do have a Rite Aid Rewards going on, or shall I say the bonus cash, because you are still able to get bonus cash. So when you buy two, you get $4 in bonus cash. So it is not going away with bonus cash. There are still deals for bonus cash. It's just that you don't get your gold discount and you don't get your silver discount. So when I purchased two of these, again, my total is going to come to $4.49. But because I'm buying two, I'm going to get $4 back in bonus cash. So that means this shampoo and conditioner is going to come to 49 cents. That is going to be my out-of-pocket after I get back my bonus cash. The second thing I did was purchase the soft soap hand soap. Those are on sale, 2 for $5 this week. When you buy two, you get $3 back in bonus cash. So that means that will be $2 out of pocket. So let me show you my receipt. There you see the two soft soaps I got for $2.50 each. So when you add all of these up, that means that I'm going to pay $9.48 out of pocket. We're not going to include tax, because everyone's tax is different depending on what state, city, borough, township you live in. So we're just going to deal with the price alone. So that's $9.48 out of pocket. But then I got back $7 in bonus cash. You see my rewards bonus cash balance says 0. I wanted to start off fresh so that I could show you guys exactly how everything works. So you see there, I got $7 back in bonus cash. I got $4 back for the shampoo and conditioner, and I got $3 back for the hand soap. So that's a total of $7. When you subtract that from the $9.48 that I paid out of pocket, that means that my out of pocket is just $2.48. So although I paid the $2.40 out of pocket, I still got back Rite Aid rewards points. That's going to bring my out of pocket even lower. So I didn't have any Rite Aid rewards points. From this purchase, I got $10, well, excuse me, 1,095 points, which will convert to $2. For every 1,000 points you get, that equals $2. So here I'm going to show you on my Rite Aid app. This is actually my Rite Aid account that I logged into on my laptop. You see I had the 1,095 points, and it says pending $2 conversion to bonus cash because I hit the button to convert that into bonus cash. So for every 1,000 points that you earn, that equals $2. So tomorrow on my account, I'll have an additional $2 in bonus cash that I earned from this actual transaction. So that means my bonus cash balance will go to $9, which will make my out-of-pocket only 48 cents. I'd say that's an excellent deal. 48 cents for shampoo, conditioner, and 2 hand soaps. Now, this could actually be a moneymaker for you. This will be a moneymaker for you if you go to suave.com, softsoap.com, and sign up for their newsletters. Once you sign up for their newsletters, then you can go right in and print their coupons. So you want to print this coupon, which is 50 cents off Sam Soap. I can't talk today. Sand soap. Wow. I just invented a new product. Soft soap brand liquid hand soap pump or the foaming tablet. So you can print 2 of these per account. So go ahead and print 2 of those off. And if you take those with your purchase, then that'll be another $1 off. So guess what? Then that would be a 52-cent money maker for you. I just didn't take the time to do it because I wanted to rush and get this video to you so that you would understand how to convert your points into bonus cash and how the new Rite Aid's rewards program worked. So don't forget, go ahead and print these 2 coupons off. So this will be a 52-cent money maker for you. So just like the program was before with the bonus cash, your bonus cash is available the next day at 6 a.m. So I'll be able to use that $9 tomorrow when I go shopping at Rite Aid. So I hope this was a helpful video, and this was helpful to you guys so that you can understand the program better and you can go out and do your deals, get your money makers, and still have a fabulous time couponing at Rite Aid. So just remember, the major change is that there's no silver discount and there's no gold discount. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know if you're going to do these deals. I'm going to do a bigger haul at Rite Aid, but I just wanted to do these 2 things just to give you guys an example so that you knew what to do when you ran out to shop at Rite Aid. And don't forget that Rite Aid has a huge clearance going on, especially 90% off the Christmas toys. So go in and get your toys. Get those Christmas gifts, Mother's Day gifts, Father's gifts. Get as many gifts as you can. And until the next time, keep on saving.